warm good morning to all of you. My name is Krishna Kumar. Today I am standing over here to present PPT on the topic of nature and scope of marketing, which is given by our respected ma'am Dr. Krishna Kumar. So let's start the PPT. First, exploring the nature and scope of marketing strategies for success. First, introduction of marketing. In today's competitive landscapes, marketing is essential for success. It encompasses a range of strategies aimed at understanding and meeting customer needs. This presentation will explore the nature and scope of marketing, provides insight into effective strategies that drive business growth. Understanding marketing concepts. Marketing involves various concepts such as market research, product development, and customer engagement. By leveraging these concepts, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and preference, leading to more effective marketing efforts and improved customer satisfaction. The next is the scope of marketing. The scope of marketing extends beyond selling products. It includes branding, advertising, and distribution strategies. Understanding these scopes allows businesses to create comprehensive marketing plans that addresses all aspects of reaching and retaining customers effectively. The next is market strategies for success. Successful marketing strategies include target audience identification, value proposition development, and multi-channel engagement. By tailoring strategies to specific audiences and utilizing various platforms, businesses can enhance their visibility and drive sales growth. Challenges in marketing. Marketers face several challenges, includes rapidly changing consumer preference and increased competition. Staying adaptable and continuously monitoring market trends are crucial for overcoming these challenges and maintaining a competitive edge in the industry. And the last is conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the nature and scope of marketing is vital for success. By implementing effective strategies and adapting to market changes, businesses can thrive. The future of marketing will likely focus on innovation and leveraging technology to enhance customer experiences. Thank you.